What's going on, guys? Matt from Solid Airsoft here. In today's video, I'm bringing you a cheater video. So, our past session, if you guys follow us on Instagram, you saw that it was probably the worst session we've ever had. These individuals who cheated have about 17,000 subscribers on YouTube, and yet they wouldn't play kindly, they wouldn't call hits, were rude, and the list goes on from there, guys. But I want you guys to watch this footage I am going to show you. I want you to tell me your thoughts, leave them in the comment section below. Please like the video if you support, because these guys have 17,000 subscribers. We have 134. Honestly, this is the stupidest idea I've ever done. We're probably going to get screwed over. But with that being said, I'll let the videos play through. On a side note, really quick, I do not mean that the whole group of Celsius Airsoft are cheaters. I do support Celsius. I really enjoyed their content. A while back, one of their members came up to me, told me their channel, I checked them out, and I've watched them multiple times. But after today, certain members in the channel are questionable, I'll say. But I'm gonna let you guys figure that out. Please enjoy, comment, like, subscribe if you'd like, up to you. But anyway, peace, guys. Sorry about that. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, you're good. Bang! Hey, you're good. Come in. Come in. Hey, Red, come in. Peter, Johnny. Who? Oh, you shot me? My bad. Bang! Peter, go around here. Lead me around. Yeah. Peter, this way. Run. Where are they? What the? Are you kidding? You never even hit me, bro. Okay. You want to play like that? Sure. Hey, one of you. Oh! I'm dead. Bang! I got you, dude. Bang! 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 Hey, that was close fire. Okay, watch out.
dead. Why are you talking?
Because I can talk if I want.
You're dead, though.
No, that's not the rules, man.
It isn't? Alright. Whatever. You know more than me, dude. Bang! Bang! I surrender both of you. Throw! I surrendered both of you. Well, yeah, no, the ref said that, but I surrendered both of you. No, I know that. I just surrendered both of you guys, though.
I clearly got you. I shot him.
I'll go out, dude. Whatever.
There's like a whole. I think someone's in a tower. Someone's definitely in green tower.
Respawn. Let's go, guys.